Today, I made a geodesic eco chiller for all perishable foods in this village. Come with me, let me show you how. This is the geodesic eco chiller. Next, the double wall capsule and moist lining are added. Finally, the hydro cooling system and chamber. I needed some bamboo for roofing and pipes to pass water across. These are all for cooling. I needed some water to take away the heat hose.
One small house, then a shining school. Every stone steady, every line true. Engineering houses, our village guru. She creates, she helps we run to you. Engineering houses,
Dry grasses are natural cooling systems. They trap air and keep the heat out. Just pass me the pipes, I will connect it to the tank to use water into the eco chiller hut.
Okay, coming up.
she works, he works, all day.
Look at it, our eco chiller is ready. Ah! Let's go and call the villagers to test it.
Makes this small village
Thank you everyone, this will keep so fresh in our eco chiller. For you, Guru Namse, wonderful, inside they go.